Hey guys, what's going on? This is Danny from Blowout TV. We're live in the Fantastic Store with a 2011 Leaf Rookie Retro Break for Jeff S. Alright Jeff, good luck. 2011 Rookie Retro. Alright.
Harper Red.
Matt is calling a Harper Red here.
Very nice.
Oh, the 1/1 Harper Red? It's possible. Alright, here we go. First card is a Juan Duran Leaf Valiant Purple. This one's numbered 20 of 25. And your hit is an 86-87 Fleer Charles Barkley PSA 9.
Sweet.
Nice. Barkley. Charles Barkley. Round mound of rebound. PSA 9. Alright. Alright, well thank you very much, Jeff. I'll be sure to get this stuff out for you tomorrow, man. Take care. Thanks for the order.